And then with that, you can look at your barometric pressure changes. And then barometric pressure is important for fishing because not so much the number. You don't have to understand what 2.9 or 9 or 2 is or however many millibars. That's not really important for you. What's important is the change in pressure. If the pressure is falling or rising, the fish can feel that. Pressure in the water is even more sensitive, and those fish know, and they're like, oh, something's changing. I should probably eat real quick. Changing pressure triggers bites, okay? Another great thing about aviation weather is it tells you wind direction and speed. Instead of saying the wind is from the west, it'll tell you the wind is from 280 to 295, 10 knots, gusting to 15 knots. So it'll tell you wind direction, course, and speed, like very accurate. And that can change where you want to set up fishing. So if you know that it's 090 coming directly from the east, you might want to fish like in Florida, that's like straight coming at the beach. You might want to fish on the inlet or a backside of an inlet inside a channel where it's wind protected. Okay.